our mission is to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy.
It's only possible because of the incredible people here at Tesla. They are absolutely committed to the cause of sustainable energy, and that is why we can do what no other company can do.
Tesla has always been more than a car company. From the start, its mission was to change how the world uses energy. But now, the company is aiming at something even larger. Self-driving cars were only the beginning. The real story is about artificial intelligence, robots, and the next phase of automation that could reshape how people work and live. In 2008, Tesla nearly went bankrupt trying to prove that electric cars could be fast and desirable. 15 years later, it's one of the most valuable companies on Earth. But the question now isn't how many cars Tesla can build, it's what kind of intelligence it's building inside them. Tesla's story starts with a simple idea. Transportation didn't have to run on fossil fuels. Elon Musk joined the company early on, betting everything he had on the belief that electric cars could go mainstream. The first car, the Roadster, was more a statement than a product. It showed the world that electric cars didn't have to be slow or boring. Then came the Model S, Model X, and eventually the Model 3, the car that truly brought Tesla to the masses. But the real revolution wasn't just the cars, it was how they were built.
The Model X, we've created the safest SUV ever. It's the first SUV that's 5 stars in every category.
Musk often said Tesla's biggest product wasn't the car, it was the factory itself. He called it the machine that builds the machine. Tesla factories became laboratories for automation. Robots assembled frames, welded steel, and painted bodies with precision. Musk's goal was to make factories operate almost entirely on their own, an ecosystem of machines making machines. But that dream didn't come easily. The company struggled with what Musk called production hell. Robots jammed, timelines slipped, human workers had to step in to fix what automation couldn't. Musk later admitted he had pushed too far, too fast. Still, through all the chaos, Tesla learned. Each failure taught the company how to automate more efficiently, how to collect better data, and how to use AI to monitor and improve manufacturing. That same obsession with automation led to something bigger, the software inside the cars themselves. Tesla's autopilot system began as a simple driver assist feature, but over time it evolved into something closer to artificial perception, cameras, sensors, and neural networks interpreting the world in real time. Unlike other automakers, Tesla didn't rely on expensive radar or LiDAR systems. It used vision, just cameras and machine learning. Every Tesla on the road became a rolling data collector. Millions of miles of driving data flowed back to the company's servers, training algorithms to understand roads, signs, and unpredictable human behavior. It was during this phase that Musk started hinting at a deeper ambition. He said Tesla's true value wasn't the cars, it was the AI brain that powered them.
With the degrees of freedom that we expect to have in Optimus Production Unit 1, which is the ability to move all the fingers independently, to have the thumb have 2 degrees of freedom, so it has opposable thumbs, and both left and right hand, so it's able to operate tools and do useful things. Our goal is to make a useful humanoid robot as quickly as possible. And we've also designed it using the same discipline that we use in designing the car, which is to design it for manufacturing such that it's possible to make the robot in high volume at low cost with high reliability.
By 2021, Tesla had already proven it could make electric cars fast, cool, and profitable. But Elon Musk started talking less about cars and more about intelligence. He said Tesla wasn't just a car company anymore. It was an AI company. That idea became real when he walked on stage during Tesla's AI Day and introduced something no one saw coming, the Tesla bot, later called Optimus. At first, people thought it was a joke. Musk brought out a person in a robot costume to show what the idea would look like. But behind the humor, he was serious. He explained that Tesla's self-driving software, the same system that helps cars see and react, could also be used to make a robot move through the world. He said Tesla was building the brains and eyes of a humanoid robot. The cameras from the cars would act as the eyes. The same neural networks that taught cars to drive could teach a robot to walk, lift objects, and maybe one day help with real work. Most people didn't believe it. Even fans thought it was too much, too soon. Making cars drive themselves is hard enough. Building a walking robot that can think is another level entirely. But then something changed. A year later, Tesla showed a real prototype. It wasn't sleek, but it worked. The robot could walk, move its arms, and handle simple tasks. Each new version got smoother and more stable. In 2024, Tesla shared clips of Optimus folding clothes, picking up objects, and moving with balance and precision. It wasn't science fiction anymore. The idea behind it is simple but huge. Musk says the robot is meant to handle boring, dangerous, or repetitive work, things humans don't want to do. It could work in factories, homes, or even take care of elderly people someday. He also said the long-term goal is to make the robot affordable, maybe even cheaper than a car. In his view, that could change the entire economy. If every household could have a robot helper, the meaning of work itself might shift. But critics aren't so sure. Some say Tesla is overpromising again. Others worry about safety. What happens if a robot malfunctions, or worse, gets hacked? And then there's the question of jobs. If machines can do everything, what happens to the people they replace? Musk's answer is that robots will create new jobs, not just take old ones. He believes technology has always worked that way. It destroys some roles but opens up others we couldn't imagine before. Whether he's right or not, one thing is clear. Tesla isn't just trying to make better cars. It's trying to build a future where machines and humans work side by side. That shift from cars to robots marks a new phase for the company. And behind it all is the same technology that powers Tesla's cars: artificial intelligence. When most people think of Tesla, they still picture cars. But inside the company, the focus has shifted. Tesla is now all about artificial intelligence, the brains behind everything it builds. At the center of that push is a supercomputer called Dojo. Tesla built it from scratch to train AI models using video data from millions of its cars. Every time a Tesla drives, its cameras capture the world: traffic lights, signs, people crossing the street, mistakes, and prevadensen, near misses. That data feeds into Dojo, teaching Tesla's AI how to understand the real world better than any simulation ever could. The same learning that helps cars drive is what gives robots their awareness. Tesla's bet is that driving, walking, lifting, and reacting all share one core skill: understanding the world through vision. Musk believes this visual intelligence is the key to the future. He says that once a machine can truly see and react like a human, it can handle almost any physical job. That's what connects Tesla's cars, robots, and AI projects. They're all learning to live in the human world. Of course, that future comes with real risks. Self-driving cars still struggle with edge cases, the rare, unpredictable moments that only humans can handle. Tesla's autopilot has faced accidents, lawsuits, and government investigations. Critics say Tesla promises full self-driving long before it's safe enough. And with robots, the worries go even deeper. If machines become capable of doing human work, who controls them? How are they used? Musk often says Tesla is trying to make sure this technology is safe and benefits everyone. But history shows that technology rarely spreads evenly. Still, there's no denying what Tesla has built. It took an industry that hadn't changed in 100 years and forced it to evolve. Now it's doing the same with AI and robotics. In a recent interview, Musk said, "The real value of Tesla isn't the cars, it's AI." For him, Tesla isn't just making machines, it's teaching them to learn. Tesla began with a goal to move the world away from gasoline. Now it's trying to move the world into a new kind of intelligence. The next chapter isn't about engines or batteries. It's about machines that can think, see, and work. Whether you believe in Musk's vision or not, it's hard to ignore what's happening. Tesla has changed the way we drive, and now it's reaching for something far beyond the road. If robots become as common as cars, this could be one of the biggest shifts in human history. Maybe one day when we look back, we'll realize Tesla wasn't just building vehicles, it was building the future of work, motion, and maybe even life itself. If you enjoyed this story, make sure to stick around because Tesla's next move might be its boldest yet.